If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we can open Settings. Next, in Settings we should be able to go to Apps. Then in here in the Apps menu we should be able to find the app lock. So we need to create a password for the app lock, and we can choose one of these available options. I'm just gonna set up a simple pattern in this case. Of course we need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. There we go. And after that, we can of course choose apps that should be locked. So let's say I'm gonna lock this app over here and maybe this one as well. And now in order to also be able to use the fingerprint, we just have to tap on this setting icon on the right side. And then here we have use fingerprint to unlock. So you can tap on the switcher to turn it on. Of course, you need to have the fingerprint set up on your phone, which you can do in security and privacy settings. To be precise, it is over here. We can go to security and privacy. Here we go to device unlock, and here we have face and fingerprint unlock. And then we can of course set up the fingerprint in here. So now if I try to open any of these locked apps, I can just use my fingerprint, and there we go. I have access now to this app. Leave a like and subscribe.